you can help preserve a magical place and an amazing legacy. A legacy that weaves African American heritage, to a farm in Vermont, to Africa and the arts, to you, and to future generations to come. The Barn House is one of our first Farm to Art projects. It's one of the 5 historic buildings on our farm. Your contributions will help us to do important upgrades to the Barn House, to make it ready for the public, and to preserve one of the largest and the oldest African American owned farms in Vermont. Be a part of the legacy.